local news that matters. This is CBS 17 News.
Private information made public. That includes things like social security numbers. Local attorneys tell CBS 17 the new court computer software system is leaving their clients illegally exposed.
CBS 17's Russ Bowen is continuing to dig deeper into the $100 million taxpayer investment that is supposed to make lives easier. Russ, this has happened in other states before the platform even launched here.
Yes, as we reported in early February, a similar situation occurred in other jurisdictions outside of North Carolina. I report a list of issues that have happened since the ECourts pilot launch in Wake, Harnett, Lee, and Johnson counties. This is the latest.
Guns.
Raleigh criminal defense attorney Clark Martin practices law in both federal and state court. She also serves as a court-appointed attorney when defendants can't afford a lawyer. To qualify as indigent, you have to prove your lack of ability to pay.
These are my expenses every month. This is how much I'm left over with every month.
The affidavit also includes the individual's social security number. All of that should be private. Martin recently found out it wasn't when she went onto the ECourts system to check on a client's trial date.
Ticked it off my list and then thought, oh, I'm on my phone. I'm not logged in. I'll see what the mobile interface looks like because this is a new program. Clicked on a document, opened it up, and there was his social security number. So with no login, no special court access, just regular me on my home Wi-Fi on my phone, I was able to access that. And so I immediately reached out to the appropriate people, had the redaction done less than 12 hours later.
I talked to other attorneys and advocates for defendants who shared similar stories. It's North Carolina law that social security numbers, banking information, driver's licenses, and passports not be included in court documents unless they are redacted.
That's a really serious privacy issue. It's also a violation of North Carolina law. So to publish a court document with someone's social security number on it without redaction and without justification is a violation of our general statutes.
If there is a breach, it must be reported to the Consumer Protection Division of the North Carolina Attorney General's office.
I know that I've asked for that information to be redacted and that I've filed the appropriate motions. And going forward, I'll continue to do that because that's what I need to do to protect them.
Did you have to go through those steps before ECourts launched?
No.
Martin says such exposure makes someone vulnerable to having their identity stolen and the information being used against them, whether by a human or a bot.
Can be pulling those documents, scanning them, and looking for personal identifying information or PII, and then storing it. And that's really dangerous.
And I did hear from the Attorney General's office today because I want to know if they've gotten any of these complaints. So far, they say they have not, but they also laid out for me who's responsible for making these sorts of reports to the AG's office. Is it the data company? Is it the court system? Is it the lawyer? I've got all that spelled out for you under this story at CBS17.com, guys.
What's scary, Russ, is we talk about this every day, like the scammers and the hackers. What can we do to... And we're doing everything we can, but when you have a hole like this...
Yep.
And an agency like this is a big deal.
Well, and I'm going to add to that, too, because we're talking about people who are indigent, right? They qualify to have a prosecutor or a defender for them that they can't afford to pay. These are people who don't have the means, really, to fight identity theft.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Russ, thank you.